Okay, so right here we have pool mode. So anything in the back half of this right here is gonna say off. So the spa main drain is off right now. And then the main drain to the pool and the skimmer is where the water's getting all the flow to. It's gonna go to the pump, go through the filter, go through the heater, and then come back and go down to the pool through here. So if we wanted to switch it to spa mode, we would, if we were looking at this like a clock, this would be 12 o'clock, this would be 9 o'clock, and then this would be 3 o'clock over here. So we have the valve pointing at 9 o'clock for pool mode. And then right here, we have it pointed at 12 o'clock for pool mode. So this is getting 50% of the water, and then this is getting 50% of the water. If we wanted to turn it into spa mode, we would have to turn this valve right here, which is the intake. So it's gonna turn on the spa main drain. We're gonna turn this around to 3 o'clock. And then we have to turn this valve down here around to 9 o'clock as well. So now we're just circulating the spa, and the water in the pool will not be flowing at all. So if we wanted to switch it back to pool mode, which we want to do after every single time we use the spa, we're going to turn this valve right here to 12 o'clock, right in the middle. We're going to turn this valve right here all the way back around to 9 o'clock. And now the spa main drain's off. And then we have the spa return and then the spa and the pool return on. So basically a good way to check this is when you're done using the spa, if you want to make sure that you did all the valves correctly, you should see the waterfall flowing into the pool. And that's telling us that the main drain for the spa is off. It's not sucking any water. The waterfall for the spa is going to be leading into the pool now that this main drain to the spa is. Thank you for coming to watch our videos. Like and subscribe and comment if you have any questions. Have a great day and happy pool.